and this app is called Oberlo, and this is something that's gonna help you automate your business like crazy. And this is something you can really use to scale your business, and this is perfect for this kind of business model that we'll be using. What this Oberlo does is it can help you import products automatically from AliExpress just with a few clicks of a button. And it can also help you streamline the process, as in, let's say someone orders and you can directly order from your store. It just you can click on the product and it's just going to take you to AliExpress right away with your customer's info, so you don't have to fill in anything. All you have to just pay and forward the payment, and that's it. And you can also set pricing to however you want. Like if you want 50% profit on a product, 100%, $10, $20, depends on whatever the product is. But you can do it any way you want. So this is something that's really helpful, and I would highly recommend that you add it to your store and make your store look really professional, because you can add a lot of products in a matter of minutes with this app. So add it up, and when you set up your store, make sure you use this app to really automate the process and add a lot of products to your store.